Why is it that pink moon on April 1, 2026? The pink moon of April 1, 2026 is the first moon of spring, named not for its color, but for the early blooming wildflower phlox subutana, moss pink. While it usually appears in its normal golden or silver hue, it symbolizes the renewal of spring, making a time for growth, and is also known as a micromoon. Key details about April's pink moon. Color misconception. Despite its name, the moon does not usually appear pink. The name is symbolic. Why April 1? It marks the early spring season, especially associated with the blooming of moss phlox. Synonyms and other names, known as the breaking ice moon, budding moon, or egg moon. Scientific aspect. It is a micromoon, opposite of a supermoon in 2026, appearing slightly smaller and dimmer because it is near apogee, its farthest point from Earth. Significance. It is used as a tracker for the change of seasons and often determines the timing of Easter, known as the Paschal moon. Usage examples in cultural context. Nature observation. People use this time to observe the first signs of spring, such as the blooming of moss phlox. Ritual reflection. People is considered a time for introspection, self-care, and feeling more connected to nature. Stargazing. It is often paired with the bright star Spica and the constellation Virgo. While it may not look like a vibrant pink ball, it is a significant cultural marker for the return of spring. This is Vanessa Vegas Daily Vlog. Thank you for watching. Until next time.